So hi Pankaj, how are you?
I'm great, and what's about you, sir?
I'm also feeling great. So first of all, I just want to know, do you really think that everyone should do a job in their life, or they should do something else?
According to me, it totally depends on the person what they want to do personally. If someone wants to do business, so he or she can go for it, and if someone wants to do job in the initial stage, so they can go for the job because I would say they should or they must do job in the initial stage because if you are doing job somewhere, so in the initial stage you will definitely find new ideas what kind of things happen in the corporate, in the job. According to me, you will be learning a lot of things in your first job, so according to me they must do job first.
What are the reasons that we cannot have more entrepreneurs in our Bharat?
I think no one wants to think much in depth. That's why we are not getting too much entrepreneur in our Bharat. Because if we really want to become an entrepreneur, so we have to think much. We have to give some extra effort as compared to the others. So I personally feel this thing is really bad for us because we are not thinking much. That's why we are lacking somewhere.
A famous author gave a statement that Elon Musk and many great personalities they can take birth only in the USA and America. They can never take birth in India. Do you really agree with this statement?
No.
That great entrepreneurs cannot take place in India.
No, I am not agree with this statement. Like whatever they are saying about our India is also a very great nation. As we have found a number of great personality in our India. Like we can take the example of the Bhimrao Ambedkar and APJ Abdul Kalam. They also were the great personality in our India. They have found.
But they were not entrepreneurs.
Actually, they were not entrepreneur, but they were also scientists. Like they have found new different things. Like you can take the example of the Aryabhatta, Ramanujan. They have found the value of the pi. So it is also a similar thing. Even if they got that much level of facility, so they can also convert. They could also convert this thing into in whatever they want to do.
No issue. If somebody could ask me this question, I would have answered it very well. You could give example of many great entrepreneurs. They are running this. They are running this startup very successfully. Ritesh Agrawal is one of them. Aman Gupta is one of them.
Even,
there are many
even
great.
Falguni Nair is one of
Yes.
them. She has found the Nykaa brand. She is running also.
So if somebody could have asked me, I would have answered this way. So what do you find like we are lacking in our education system?
I think we are not reforming our education system timely. That's why we are lacking. We are not giving to students or child practical knowledge, hands-on experience. That's why we are lacking.
What do you want to say? Recently, America has arrested some people, those entered USA illegally, and they have sent all these people to India, but they have like tied their hands with cuffs. How would you react to this thing?
They have sent to India.
Actually, these people entered USA illegally, and USA had a policy as Trump will become the president, so he is going to deport all the illegal people from his country.
I would say
And soon, I think next week, 2 flights are also coming.
According to me, they have sent to India those people went out there illegally. So it is totally wrong if you are going in any country without any permission. So definitely they have the opportunity to take any kind of actions. But they have sent to India, return back, and with some kind of punishment, we can say, like they have binded their hands with a kind of scarf, kind of clothes. So it is totally wrong. So they must take action, or they must raise their voice according to against the USA.
Okay. Recently, AI Action Summit was held, and many delegates of the nations gathered and they discussed about AI. What do you know about this Action AI Summit? Do you have any some information?
About them.
And how do you see? Let me tell you. They all have discussed like in few years AI is going to replace the jobs and it is going to reduce many jobs in the market. How would you react to this thing? Do you really agree?
No, somewhere I can agree, but not everywhere I am agree. AI will be reducing or decreasing the job in every sector, because if we those people are innovating AI, those are encouraging AI. So even we are also taking help, or AI is also assisting us. It's not taking our job. It's up to the person. If you are not up to date, you are not upskilling your skills. So that time you might be lacking somewhere, but not everywhere in everywhere. If you are up to date and you are continuously working towards your skills, no one can replace you. Even AI and any kind of robot can replace you.
I think, what I personally think, AI is not going to replace anyone and not going to snatch the job of anyone, but it is going to play a very important role at your job at workplace. Suppose we are having this institution, we are using some devices. So somewhere now AI will play the role using these devices or make our technology more easy.
Yes.
Huh? Do you think this is going to happen?
This is going to happen. It will be assisting us. It will be making things more comfortable. It will be reducing some kind of work. Like if we are sitting here, so we are keeping our own eye to the every person. But some kind of technology will be coming in future, and where our kind of robot will be keeping eye on the children, and no one can steal any kind of money or any kind of equipment from a one place. So this kind of things can be happening in our future.
There's a person, he is a comedian and he has recently made a comment on Kerala state, like 100% literacy. Sir, there was a girl, she said I did not vote, but so he said 100% literacy, sir. So how do you react to this thing? Now what's happening? All the states are targeting Kerala, and now Kerala is acting like we are deprived, all the states are targeting us. They feel alone. You will find number of reels on social media. People are taking the opinions of other, like what do you want to say about this state? Means, do you not think Kerala is the part of this nation? Why should we target the Kerala? And why have people taken that joke so seriously? It is also about the people of Kerala. It was just a joke. Why have they taken it very seriously?
I think it is complete. It is a wrong thing. We should not take the some kind of bad comments. We could not make some kind of bad comments for the Kerala, because Kerala is also a state of our India. It is not apart from our India. As we all know, Kerala is a very literate people. Those are living there because they are playing very good role in term of the education. So, and we all are humans, and we can easily make mistakes. They are not a kind of robots. They are also humans as like us. So it's up to the person. It's up to the people. We also can make mistakes. It is not a kind of. It is not a kind of whatever.
Rocket science.
Anything you want to say to your audience?
I would say like keep coming here and keep connecting with this organizations.
Keep paying fee too.
Yes, keep paying fee too, because if you are coming here and you are not paying a single rupee, so sir might be feel bad, because sir is also giving his efforts.
Have you given
you?
No, sir,
Well, and clap for him. Good.